Hey future biologists! Ready to take your NEET journey to the next level? Imagine a learning app that's fun, interactive, and tailor-made just for you. Meet BioElitePrep, your secret weapon for tackling the toughest biology concepts with ease. Let's jump in. Say goodbye to boring textbooks. With BioElitePrep, you'll get crisp video lessons, interactive quizzes, and expert-crafted notes all in one place. It's designed to simplify your syllabus and make learning biology your favorite part of exam prep. Struggling with revisions? Not anymore. The app's smart analysis tracks your progress and pinpoints weak areas, so you can focus where it matters most. It's like having a personal tutor right in your pocket. Tired of endless practice papers? BioElitePrep offers daily quizzes and mock tests with instant feedback. With every attempt, you'll feel more confident and ready to crack those tricky NEET questions. It's study time made smarter and sharper. The clock is ticking, and your goals are within reach. Download BioElitePrep today and revolutionize your study routine. Don't just prepare, excel. Sparkle's one tap on this app could be the difference between ordinary and extraordinary. So, what are you waiting for? Hit that download button now and leap closer to your NEET dreams. Let BioElitePrep be the foundation of your success.